So you're trying to figure out ways to generate even more traffic and get more people to see your offer for your products and services out there without breaking the bank and costing an arm and a leg. I get it. And that's why in today's video, we're going to be showing you an absolutely free method and a very, very quick method on how to do just that. So stay tuned. Hey, what's going on, everybody? Brian of Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome back to the channel for another video here on the Revenue Pro Tips channel, where every single week we bring in tips, information, even online based opportunities to help you get your money right or just make a whole lot more money, whether that's within your personal and or your business finances for you entrepreneurs out there. So if you're looking to just make a little bit more money just to get by and pay some bills, or you're somebody who has a business, has streams of income, and wants to stack on a few more sources of income and revenue, then you're going to want to stay tuned. So at any time, please do consider hitting that red subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it, so you don't miss when we upload new content, as we do every week, multiple times a week. All right. And if you get great value from this video, please let us know that you're liking it, you're loving it, by hitting that thumbs up button, and also share the video, guys. Much appreciated. All right. Now, in terms of today's video, yes, we are talking about an absolutely free method to create copy and paste ads and post them on multiple sites. All right. Ultimately generating more and more traffic, more and more people seeing your offers, and ultimately more money for you. All right. And also, this method is like just so crazy fast, guys. Okay. So we're going to show you just how to do that. And we're going to go right now and check it out. So the first website we're going to check out is thefreeadform.com. Thefreeadform.com, guys. I mean, honestly, it reminds me a lot of a lot like Craigslist, with all kind of different listings and things, for whether it be things for sale, jobs. Unlike though Craigslist, guys, the thing I like about the free ad form is that it is friendly. It is receptive to business opportunities, right? You have some sites out there, right, where you can create listings or ads for things, but they do not like people promoting money-making opportunities. Okay. The free ad form is very receptive to this, and they have obviously a category for it, right, including a subcategory of work from home, right? So the thing is, this is a very phenomenal website, and again, absolutely free. There are paid options in terms of like how to promote your ads, but we're going to focus on you not spending money, but absolutely making money. Okay. So what you want to do is create an absolutely free account on the free ad form. It takes literally like 3 or 4 minutes to do so. Once you have that, what you do is you go to publish your ad. You'll click that button right there, and it will start getting information for you, basically putting together your ad. Okay. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with affiliate marketing, right? We have all kind of videos on our channel about affiliate marketing, what it is, how to do it, and even where you can get products in or services that you can promote as an affiliate and start making money. Okay, so if you're not familiar with that, check out some of the videos, check out the card that might be somewhere here on the screen or in the description below. We're going to post about affiliate networks and affiliate marketing, right, and get you all caught up, right, so you can start taking advantage if you're a little unfamiliar just seeing this video and figuring out affiliate marketing for the first time. But for those of you who are familiar with it, right, you might have a product or a service that you're already promoting, right? So it'd be very easy to create an ad. If you don't have a product or a service, right, or you want to have another product or service, a whole new product or service you want to promote, maybe check out platforms like ClickBank, JVZoo, affiliate networks as they're called, right, to find products and services to promote. Once you do have that, guys, though, it's a really simple process. You're going to come here, you're going to select a category. We want to help people who want to work from home because their job isn't cutting it. And they might not even have a job, but they're maybe on lockdown because of lockdown because of health issues or whatever it is that's kind of going around the world right now at this time of this video, but we're not gonna get into that. So work from home. Okay, we're gonna click out on that for category. We can go to title, guys. We have a few different titles I have here, but we're going to go with this one here, and we are going to choose a description. Again, this is copy and paste. You see, I have a list of things that I've used and created a few ads on this website under this account. we're going to also insert a description. Now, your first of all, your title should be very short and sweet, captivating, but very simple. We want to use everyday language because we want to help everyday people make more money. If for our example, at least for this example, we're promoting a money-making opportunity, okay, a business opportunity, work from home opportunity, for this example. So we want to use words, language for everyday people who see this and say, hey, I think I can do that. That looks pretty, enticing. Let me check it out, right? You don't want to scare people off and make them think, now hiring doctorate degree, students or whatever, graduates for X, Y, and Z. We don't want to do that, right? We want as many people as possible to view this listing or ad, okay? So easy income per day from home, very simple, very sweet. And as far as our description, we want to elaborate a little, but still not give them all the information. Ultimately, we want them to click on the link, get to the offer, okay? So we're going to go ahead and put this here. Our description: unemployed, out of options, think again. We have your plan B and you get paid daily. It works like crazy. Visit our website for details. That's it. Like, I don't know how it really gets much better than that. For our specific example, when we talk about making money from home, business opportunity, all right? So description, very simple and sweet. Again, and you can put maybe one or two words or a sentence in there, something that kind of is more specific to your offer, whether that if that's a money-making opportunity, maybe change the language a little, but again, you don't want to do too much. All right, you want them ultimately to get to the website. You don't want to spill the beans and then they never even think to visit the website because you scared them away. Okay, so we're going to leave that there. We're going to go with 0. We're going to leave that blank. Now, in terms of region, listing location, right, they ask you who are you basically targeting. They want you to be a little specific. It doesn't have to be crazy specific, though. As you can see, it's pretty much country. So we're going to go with the United States. Region, I'm going to go California. I want to get as many people as possible to view this. So I'm going to go to what I know and familiar with, and is one of the largest cities and areas in the country, Los Angeles. All right. I'm not going to put an area. I want as many people as possible to see this. Now, here you can do all this if you want, but you don't have to. What I would do is just put a website here. So if you have a website, obviously, if you're an affiliate of a company, whether that's through an affiliate network or a specific company, whether that be Nike or Home Depot or Bath and Body Works, all the, these are just examples. They're going to, as an affiliate, provide you your own custom link or your custom URL to whether it's a specific product, service, if it's an Amazon link, right? With Amazon, you get paid for all kind of different things, whatever somebody buys, like in a 24-hour period, right? So they'll give you a specific URL that basically links you to that product or that service to help you generate a commission for a sale. Okay, so you'll enter your website there, guys. You'll enter keywords, if, for our example, hit make money online, work from home. Okay, and I probably should put my website, but this is just an example. I'm not going to get too detailed to list a specific like product or service. You can figure that out once you find your product or service that you're going to promote and offer. Phone, Facebook, again, depending on the offer, right? There might be an opportunity to input these things, right? It might be an offer, a high ticket offer where you might want to get people on the phone. If there's a benefit to putting a Facebook page or something like that helps you, get basically lead to a sale, then do that, right? But again, you don't want to be too general. Again, you don't want to link to whatever the offer is, a specific page for that product, but then it doesn't link to you, because now, you don't want it to be they buy the product, but you not get the commission, right? You're doing all this work. Again, this is going to take you a few minutes though. Some websites have YouTube videos. You can put a link to YouTube videos for the specific product or service, so you can put that there, guys. Also, some websites, similar websites to this one that I'm showing you, some will give you an opportunity not only put like YouTube videos, but actually put a picture for the listing. Okay, so depending on the type of listing that you're putting, they might give you an option to put a picture with the listing. Okay, but here you can see there's different packages, things you get by paying, right? So you have the 3-in-1, you can upgrade. You're moved to the top of the category every 90 days. Okay. You get your highlighted your ad is highlighted with an eye-catching background color. So it might be highlighted in like yellow or something like that, some bright color that really draws people's eyes. Okay, then they have other packages, but right now we're gonna just go with no thanks, and I don't want any extra exposure right now. I just want to submit my free ad, and we'll hit publish. Okay, it's as simple as that, guys. Again, a few minutes, right? I'm kind of explaining this, so it took a little bit longer, but you can see you can probably do all that within like 3 minutes. Okay, not that big of a deal. So what you'll do then is go right here to my account, and you will see your published ad. Okay, and this is the thing, guys, this is free for 90 days. Okay, so you can see here I have right here in my account, easy income per day from home, unemployed, out of options, are basically my description. And people can click this and see the ad. Okay, so once you do, they click it, this is what they see. This is all the information. That's our description. Visit our website for details. There goes our keywords. Now, if we had our website, it will be listed here as well, and they would be able to click that. Okay. Now, you can upgrade this. Again, you can add like a picture to go along with it. Right. I'm not going to jump into all that, but this is just one example of a free ad you can create. It's 90 days. Your ad is posted on this website for 90 days for absolutely free. Once that 90 days is over, just go back and create another ad. You can come back and create a whole nother ad, maybe with the same product or service, but you can change up the title, the description, so on and so forth. Kind of see what works and what doesn't work, right? What is drawing in more traffic? What kind of language is drawing in more traffic? Right? You can post other ads for other products and services. There's no limit. All right. Now, that is one website. What I'm going to do is jump to another website, guys, real quick. And this is free globalclassifiedads.com. Again, free globalclassifiedads.com. As you can see, the layout is extremely similar to the free ad form. Okay. Maybe a slight difference, but extremely similar website. Pretty much the way it operates is exactly the same. So I'm not going to go through the process of creating an account and running an ad, but very, very similar in terms of all the information they're asking for, things you can do, even the upgrade plans where, you can get some of your stuff posted. Again, highlighted on the home page here. You can see these are ads that are listed on the home page with highlight. Some others down here listed on the home page. Some have pictures, some don't, not highlighted. So it just depends on, how bad do you want people to see it, how frequently, how long also do you want it posted on this website. You can get 90 days for absolutely free. I think there's like 6 months or a year, something like that, right? But there's different options, guys. But again, this is all I wanted to show you today, an opportunity to start posting ads absolutely free. It takes you very, very limited amount of time to do it. Costs you nothing, but generates traffic for your ads, for your offers, and makes you more money. I hope that you have enjoyed that, guys. If you are looking, this is a great way. And if you're somebody who has not found the right money-making opportunity for you, click on the first link in the description below for our #1 recommended money-making opportunity online. I promise you, this is not only a way for you to just make some money, a little bit of money, but to build a solid, legitimate business. It's going to teach you exactly how to do this for the long run. All right, click that first link in the description below, guys. And with that said, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, make sure you again hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and that you're sharing this video. Follow us on all social media platforms at Revenue Pro Tips, and we will see you next time. Take care. Peace.